Hello students, welcome to S2S Classes. So in today's class, we will discuss about the different kind of functions on the basis of their domain and range. So we can divide functions in different parts like one function, many-one function, then onto function, into function, and then we can make different combination like one and onto, one and into, many one and onto, many one and into. Okay, so these are the different type of function that we are going to discuss one by one. So first let's discuss about one function. So what is one function? So I'm considering that you already have the knowledge of domain and range. So let's take any function f that is defined from a to b, set a to set b. So a function is called one if the distinct element of A is having distinct images in set B. Okay, so the images, the no two elements should have same image. For example, if I consider that set A having the elements like 1, 2 and 3 and set B having elements A, B and C. Okay, then if one have image A, 2 have image B and 3 have image C, so here you can see all the elements of set A having different images in set B. So these kind of functions are called one. Now what about those functions which are not one? So let's take first an example of a function which is not one. So if I say a function is y equal to x square defined from R to R. So in this case, here you can see if you put x equal to 2, you will get y equal to 4. As well as if you will put x equal to minus 2, again you will get y equal to 4. So for two values of x, that is 2 and minus 2, you are getting same values of y, that is 4. Okay, so here two numbers in set A, that is your R, having same image. Okay, so these kind of functions are not one and we call this kind of function as many one. So now we will talk about onto functions. Onto functions are those functions in which the codomain and the range of the functions are equal. What it means that all the elements of set B is having a pre-image. It is getting occupied by any element of set A. Okay, for example, if we say y equal to x, so y equal to x is a onto function because all the elements of y having any pre-image. Okay, for you can take any map like let's take A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to A and B. So if we do mapping like 1 having image as A, 2 having image as A and C having image as B. So you can see all the elements of set B like A and B have pre-images, like A have 2 pre-images and B have 1 pre-images. So these kind of functions are called onto functions, and those functions which are not onto are called into functions. Okay, now one more thing that we should know, that one functions are also called injective functions and many onto functions are also called surjective functions. Now we have one more function that we need to discuss here is those kind of functions which is one as well as onto. So we give it a special name, that is bijective functions. So the function which is one as well as onto. So one means all the elements of set A having different images, and onto means its codomain and range are equal. So these kind of functions are called bijective functions. So these were the basics of for different type of functions. They are divided on the basis of their domain and range. Now in next class we will talk about that how can we decide that any given function is 1 or not, or how can we decide that any given function is onto or not. So we will talk about the method of deciding this, method of finding their properties. So that we will discuss in the next class now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos.